Wondering if the new Daily Harvest Forager bowls are worth it? Today, I'm going to do a live taste test of all of the current flavors offered. Spoiler alert, this could be my new favorite line from Daily Harvest. If you guys are new here, my name is Rachel from the Confused Millennial. I have been reviewing Daily Harvest products for a few months now. I have a general FAQ video if you want to learn how it works, pricing, frequently asked questions. I also did a full review of their breakfast, from their coffees, smoothies, oat bowls, and all of that. And my previous favorite line was their flatbread. All of those will be linked in the description box below. And you guys can get $25 off your Daily Harvest order using discount code TCM25. So real quick, what are the Daily Harvest Forager bowls? They're their new line of bowls that pack a serious nutrient-dense punch with superfoods, ancient grains, all sorts of good stuff. I was honestly surprised. They range from like 160 calories to 300 calories and pack like 5 to 9 grams of protein depending on the bowl, and vitamins and nutrients, all sorts of good stuff. They really are just this perfect blend of sweet and savory in my opinion. Let's get into the taste test. You want that one? First one we tried is the raspberry, apple, almond, cauliflower, butternut, squash, coconut bowl. They suggest adding a little bit of milk to it. I may have added a little bit too much. Reagan's been dying to try this one. Do you want some? Yeah? Yeah. Yummy? Mmm. And it's the texture of like grits, but like raspberry, tangy. I like it. Do you like it? And it's got my mulberries in it again. If you watch my Daily Harvest breakfast reviewed post, you know they're mulberries. I considered life-changing. This one I would definitely do for breakfast or lunch, which is kind of what I'm doing it for now, lunch. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this. Are you taking my whole bowl? I swear to you, she always does this with my Daily Harvest meals. She sees them and she takes them. I've tried out other meal deliveries. This is the only one that she does this with. I'm finishing the raspberry forager bowl, is just what I'll call it. I would have to look at how it nutritionally compares to that raspberry oat bowl that I had in that previous review. And I have to say, I think I like this one more taste-wise. They're very comparable, which is why I would look at which one packs a better nutritional punch. This is really, really good. Definitely would order this one again. This is the Cremini Miso Opal. It's made with oats. You can cook it in the microwave or on the stovetop. I did it on the stovetop. I think it would have been fine in the microwave. It says cracked oats. I don't know what cracked oats are, but they look like steel cut oats to me. This is really good. If you like stuff with miso and ginger, this is really good. Portion feels a little small. It is only 160 calories, but it does pack 7 grams of protein. I'm a fan.
I'm not a big mushroom guy. There's a lot of mushrooms in here.
Just don't look at them.
It's good though.
If you blend up your mushrooms, he'll eat them. But if he can see them, you eat them in the lasagna I make all the time.
It's good, but no mushrooms.
Anyway, I would definitely order this again. Technically, because it's oats, you could have it for a breakfast.
I would not eat that as a breakfast.
Let me preface this. If you're somebody that doesn't like breakfast and you really like savory, then this would be a good breakfast option for you. Personally, I would never eat this as a breakfast. I'm with him on that. I would do it as a late lunch or dinner, which is why I'm eating it now for dinner. Really, really good. Today, I'm making a Leek and Fono grits one. Sounds like a very interesting taste. How do they say to make it? 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Yeah. Yeah? This is what it looks like before going in. You ready to go get it? Yeah. This is what it looks like out of the microwave. Smells like Leeks. It looks nice and creamy. I have to say that's really good. I normally don't like grits, so it's very skeptical, and I don't know what half of these ingredients are. It's got a strong kick at the end, probably the pickled pepper or leek. I would eat this for dinner or lunch. I'm a fan of it. A little small in the portion size, but not bad. With a piece of toast, I think it's very filling. I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up. I would definitely order it again. Do you want your food, baby girl? Meanwhile, this girl insisted on the raspberry one again.
Mommy.
No, it's Mommy. Do you want to try some?
No.
You just want that one? As you guys can tell, I'm a big fan. They pack a ton of flavor, texture, and nutrients, and I'm really excited to see what other flavors they eventually release. These typically cost $5.99 per item. Of course, depending on the plan you're on for Daily Harvest, that price could go down. You guys can get $25 off your first order from Daily Harvest with code TCM25. Hit that notification and subscribe button so you don't miss more reviews from Daily Harvest. In the meantime, feel free to check out those past Daily Harvest reviews or go ahead and check out how it compares to Splendid Spoon. My name is Rachel. If you have any comments, feel free to drop them below or hit me up on Instagram at The Confused Millennial.